Hello, David Bradley here, reading another passage from Eugenics and Sex Harmony. This one is Sex in Schools. In whispers, you hear much about the subject of sex in schools. I have no statistics concerning the actual number of girls who go wrong before the age of 16 in schools and colleges. I have heard a great deal from mothers, and I have heard a great deal more from daughters who have pleaded, as they have with every other physician in active practice, for some aid or advice in their dilemma. Yet little or nothing is done in our schools and colleges to educate our young folks respecting sexual matters, so that these tragedies may be avoided. In London, however, the famous surgeon, Sir William, it's, one moment, Arbuthnot Lane, is quite outspoken about the matter. He says, by gradual teaching, children should be familiarized with the body, to learn that it's the thing of beauty, to be kept beautiful and healthy. They should be given instructions in anatomy and physiology. And I would have statues about the corridors of every school. There they would gain an understanding of the wonderful beauty of nature, and not a vulgar misunderstanding, which must inevitably be the result of secrecy. That's from page 93 and 94 of Eugenics and Sex Harmony. Thanks so much for coming. Bye for now.